Ultimately, what we're trying to do with any new business model is reduce monetization friction. That is, make our offer easier to buy. In this case, we're offering, well, anything as a service, the so-called XaaS, which is a substitute for product ownership. Until now, the service business model has been generally applied to big-ticket items. Think car sharing, think Uber, think Airbnb. In each of these cases, a sophisticated custom XaaS platform had to be written. With IoT, we can now apply the service business model to any IoT physical product. Most important with the service business model is that it's based on a KPI that's meaningful to the customer. The service business model can also be completely independent of any physical product and be a pure database information service. This could be sold to the company's existing market or a completely new market that would find the data or information service useful. Originally coined by jet engine maker Bristol Siddeley, the power-by-the-hour business model that Rolls-Royce uses for capital assets has been widely emulated. Rolls-Royce's insight was that companies don't want to own and maintain jet engines. They want propulsion for their planes. Shifting the expense from a capital equipment purchase that sits on the balance sheet to a recurring fee that sits on the P&L makes a lot of sense here and in many other situations. Key for the service business model is basing it on a key productivity indicator. For the airline industry, the key productivity indicator is number of miles flown per paid seat. This key productivity indicator for the airline industry is the basis of raises, promotions, and stock price increases. Although power by the hour is not exactly it is one step closer to the buyer's business model. And in all cases, it moves the seller's business model closer to the buyer's business model.